Hello everyone, I am Susie.
I am Lucy.
Today we will take you to the Kids Castle. There are many good stories and lots of fun toys in the Kids Castle. Let's go together. Hooray! Hi my friends, today I am going to read those books for you. And now let's get started. Celebrate Chinese New Year with fireworks, dragons, and ladders. A string of firecrackers, family fireworks, ladders. Millions and millions of people celebrate Chinese New Year in China and around the world. The New Year is time to get together with friends and family. We celebrate with fireworks and ladders. A brightly colored ladder. A graceful line dancer displays fierce strength during a performance in Jakarta, Minnesota. A string of firecrackers. The Chinese New Year was traditionally celebrated for 15 days. Today, festivals often take place for about a week. Still, we remember the stories and our customers from long past. The holiday families on the night of the first new moon of the year, which marks beginning of spring. A new moon is invisible from Earth. Over the next 15 days, it gets bigger and bigger until it's full. Springtime is a time for fresh start and new beginnings. It's a time of hope and promise. A full moon shines upon the Great Wall of China. We travel to be with our families. China is a big country with over 1 billion people. During the holidays, there are times when the whole country seems to be on the move. We may travel back to our homes even if they are far away, so we can be with our families and friends. Other countries in Asia celebrate this holiday as Lunar New Year. Vietnam and Korea hold a big celebrations. When Asians immigrated to countries like the United States and Canada, they brought these traditions with them. Now many countries around the world have their own unique ways to celebrate the holiday. Comfortably perched on his father's shoulders, a boy in Shanghai, China takes a wonder of crowded marketplace. Long before the festival begins, we have things to do. We shop for presents, new clothes, and food. We clean our houses, stores, and streets so we can start fresh in the new year. We sweep away bad luck. We decorate with lots of bright colors. The color gold is said to bring good wealth, and the color red is considered especially lucky. We use red paper to write special couplets in Chinese characters. Couplets are like poems or sings calling out happy wishes and asking for good luck. We hang them around our doorways because that is where our new year will enter our homes. Using gold leaf paint to draw the characters, paints a message of good fortune in Bangkok, Thailand. We decorate with bright colors. Red and gold decorations, ladders, and blossoms promise to bring good business in the owners of this tea house in Shanghai, China. There is plenty to eat. We cook for our New Year's Eve feast. Then we'll get together with family. Different foods have different meanings. We offer visitors orange, dried fruits, and candy to make sure of a sweet future. A whole fish means we'll have plenty to eat. Long noodles means we will live long lives. Dumplings are crescent shaped like ancient gold nuggets. This means our family will be satisfied and happy. Even the amount of food has meaning. The more food we make, the more we'll have next year. The children make a traditional Chinese treat in the order of the year. The children make a traditional Chinese treat in order of the year of the rat. A family shares a Chinese New Year Eve feast in Chinese province of Shanxi. In the Fuji Islands, hard-boiled eggs are dyed the lucky color red. Sing, play, eat. On the New Year's Eve, we gather together. We wear bright clothing. We talk and laugh. We sing and we play music games. We watch the New Year's specials on TV. We eat and we stay awake to frighten the Nian. There are many stories from long ago about the Nian. Some say the Nian is a terrible monster. Others say Nian is a symbol of winter, but that we can chase away so spring can come. But our ancestors learned that the Nian was afraid of bright colors and loud noises. A boy in Melissa offers red envelope to the lion dancers. One dancer controls the movement of the lion's head, while the other forms the rest of the body. Beneath the canopy of ladders, the girl enjoys a sticky cotton candy treat. Two girls play a clapping game as they lay a plate on New Year's Eve. Exactly at midnight on New Year's Eve, we open our doors and windows. We let the new year out. Old year out. We invite the new year inside. Outside, people set fireworks, lighting crackers and fireworks. We bang drums and make as much noise as we can. The Nian is afraid of lights, colors, and loud noises. Now the new year has begun. We let the old year out. Chinese drums. Lights at our abodes in the ancient city of Xi'an, China, or huge golden bell rings and greetings for the new year. In Taiwan, people draw pictures with sparkling fireworks. On New Year's day, we pay respect to the oldest members of our family. We honor our ancestors. Children get presents and red envelopes with good wishes and new crispy money inside. We wear our new clothes. Everything is new to celebrate the new year. In the days to follow, there are many events and activities. We visit people. We eat special foods. There are pageants and parades. Dancers, acrobats, and musicians put on shows. Laughing children, good wishes. Laughing children in Inner Mongolia, China, slip and slide on an ice sculpture. The red characters at the top say, "Happy Childhood." Characters at the top say, "Happy Childhood." São Paulo, Brazil. São Paulo, Brazil, children perform a traditional dance. A lucky red envelopes. On the 15th day, the ladder festival takes place. Now Zoom lights up the night sky. We watch the parade of lights. We greet the bright moon with ladders. Some ladders are simple, but some are shaped animals, dragons, butterflies, birds, all sorts of beautiful things. We watch the parade of lights, or we join in carry ladders of our own. A U.S. postage stamp honors Chinese New Year. A feastum ladder in the shape of an ancient Chinese water looms a young boy next key, Japan. The small child stares at the giant ladder during the year of the pig. Today, ladders come in all different shapes and sizes. During the ladder festival, we have folk and drum dances and lions and dragons dance too. Dragons used to be made of paper, wood, or bamboo, but today they are sometimes made of lighter materials such as plastic. Today, it takes a whole team of 10 or more dancers to form the dragon. They have practiced together for months, even years, to learn the dances. The dancers hold each section high on a pole to help the dragons lever over the crowd. The dragons twist and turn as they make their way through the streets. They can be more than 100 feet long. Dancers in Vancouver, British Columbia, bring colorful petals together to form a flower. We dance with dragons. The team here meets a dragon in preparation for the parade in London, England. Bang, clang! There are more fireworks. There are more dancing. Drums bang, cymbals clang, and the firecrackers pop. It is loud. The night and bright. In particular, is the last night of Chinese New Year. Boom! Calm water reflects the bright light as dazzling display as fireworks explode over downtown Guiyang, China. We had done everything we can to start the new year off right. We had ordered our families. We had feasts and fireworks, dancing and bright lights. We had celebrated the end of the winter. Now welcome the promise of spring. We wish you a happy new year. 恭喜發財，恭喜發財。A dragon roars to life in San Francisco's Chinatown. Lano Forest is celebrate Chinese New Year's parade. We finish our books. Oh, see you next time. Bye. So that's all for today. If you have nice stories or fun toys, remember to write to Susie and Lucy. We will share it with every kid in the first place. If you like our channel, remember to click on the subscription below. Susie and Lucy are waiting for you here. See you soon.